Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the challenges for the student. So the very first point is the career path challenge, and they have the challenge just to decide that what should be their future. So let's take that what is the journey of a student, how they decide that what should be their career path. In first year, when they enter into the engineering field, then they usually study about few basics about the electronics engineering, about the electrical engineering, like the basic electronics and network analysis are their few subjects. And then their dream job is, or the dream is that they want to be the electronics engineer. Now in the third semester, when they go through this subject digital electronics, then the interest developed in that particular direction, and they start dreaming that okay, after completing our 4 year of engineering we will be the circuit designer. In a fourth semester, when the microprocessor come into the picture, they start thinking about the automation engineer, because the microprocessor they do the assembly language, and they come to know that okay, in automation also we are using a lot of programming the assembly language. Then they are just thinking that okay, I already know the digital electronics part. I can be good in automation engineer. In a fifth semester, when controller DSP come to the picture, then they realize that okay, there is a one more field which is the embedded engineer, and this field is too good, and I'm the most suitable candidate for embedded engineer. Now the interesting part is in the sixth semester when the VLSI design and advanced digital these type of subjects comes, they realize that okay, there is a one more field that is the VLSI, and I'm too good in a VLSI. So at the end of the 4 year, I will be VLSI engineer. So you can see like as they are moving forward from first semester to the sixth semester, their choices, their goal, their visions is changing completely. Now in the sixth semester, they start thinking about VLSI engineer. What happened in the fourth year? This is the most interesting part. Whenever I discuss with so many of students, till sixth semester they have vision. They wanted to do something, but the moment they enter into the fourth year, just because of the job uncertainty or the campus selection, they start thinking that okay, at least I should be the electronics engineer. Because for me, if I will get the degree of electronics engineer, maybe I will get some job, maybe some campus, or maybe higher study. So they lose the focus about that in the previous semester they were just talking about the VLSI engineer, embedded engineer. Those things are there in their mind, but they don't know how to prepare that particular part. Now let's see that okay, where is the problem here? In this particular approach, is there problem? There's no problem. It's a very common. Every student has to go through this particular path. Now the challenge in this case is like in a VLSI engineer, if you have decided that okay, I want to be the VLSI engineer, there are a lot of subjects, there are a lot of topics which is already studied by you in a previous semester. So you don't know the importance of those subjects as a part of the VLSI engineer in a VLSI industry. So in the first year, second year, in the third year, the digital electronics or maybe some controller or the automation, analog electronics. So these subjects you just study just to get a mark in your semesters, in your sessionals, in your final year paper. We don't focus on the building the concept as per the industry requirement. When you jump into the fourth year and when we are looking for the job, at that particular time, this is the biggest challenge because you are not ready with the concepts, you are not ready with the fundamentals, you are not ready what industry want, and in that particular case, you start blaming either blaming the industry or you start feeling depression, or you start feeling frustration, or you start looking for some coaching institute, and you start looking for some higher study. But you don't realize the solution which you are looking for, that is not available in the outside world. It is within you. You have to understand that there is a weakness. You are missing something. And the moment you will realize that what is missing, I'm sure that in a fourth year itself, you can bang and you can get your dream company. Thanks a lot. We will discuss few other challenges also in the next video.